Hello, children. Hello. How are you today? Are you feeling happy? Happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling, tired? Tired? Are you feeling angry? Angry? Maybe you're feeling excited. Excited. I'm feeling excited because look who I have here. Do you know what animal this is? Do you know what animal this is? It begins with the sound k, k, cat. That's right, this is my cat. Her name is Shadow. Her name is Shadow. What color is she? Do you know? What color is she? Black. That's right. Shadow is black. She is a black cat. And what about her eyes? Her eyes. What color are they? Should we look? Oh, they're green. Her eyes are green. She has 2 ears. 2 ears. 2 ears. And this is her nose. Nose. And she has 2, 3, and one more over here. Let's see, 4 legs. And look at this. What's this? What's this? Her tail. This is her tail. She has a black tail. Do you have a cat or a dog at home? Do you have a cat or a dog at home? Do you want to say goodbye, Sombra? Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye, children. Children, you say goodbye to Sombra. Goodbye, Sombra. Goodbye. See you soon. Goodbye.